October, and that can only mean one thing: it's about to get spooky. I love this month just because you can get so creative and so carried away when like try to come up with makeup looks for Halloween. The options never end. You can literally do anything you want, anything you like, and go have fun with your friends, go trick-or-treating or anything you want. Last year I didn't do any Halloween looks, but this year I'm gonna try to do like multiple. I'm wearing a very basic and pasty top that blends with my complexion just because I don't want to ruin any tops that I have if like something spills or anything like that. Yeah, so we're just gonna have to deal with the blending. So the idea that I have in mind is like to combine two makeup looks that I saw. One being this James Charles makeup tutorial. I want to like dissect my face into two parts, so something like this. And the other makeup look that I saw that I really want to combine with this one is of this girl right here. So shout out to you guys, James Charles, and this girl right here. I don't know how to pronounce that name, but this girl right here, I really like her eyes, so I wanna do something similar to that. Yeah, so firstly I'm gonna start off with the eyes just because that's the step that I always do, and I don't wanna like finish my base and then do the eyes and something goes wrong and then I have to like start all over again. So as always, I'm gonna start with the P.Louise base. You guys, look what came in the mail today. I'm so excited that this finally came at the right time because look at these colors. So I'm firstly gonna start off by this color right here called Rosey, the Zoeva 227 Luxe Soft Definer. And I'm gonna be basically placing this shade on my outer corner. And I'm also going to take that into my crease. Next, I'm gonna take this shade right here called Lit. I'm gonna use a Zoeva 221 Luxe Soft Crease. I'm gonna like blend this harsh line with it. Now with a blank canvas E10 brush, I'm gonna pick up this shade right here called Keen, and I'm gonna blend these edges. And I'm basically going to do some scratching and rounded motions. Okay, so far so good. I'm so freaking happy and pumped on how my eyes turned out. I think the blendability and the pigmentation is just beyond this world. Like, I'm so happy I got this palette, you guys don't even know. Okay, so now I'm gonna go back in with Rosey, this shade right here. I'm gonna pack this color on my outer part of my lid. I'm gonna take this flat shader brush from Morphe and I'm gonna do a cut crease. So I'm gonna place this shader here. Now that we cut the crease, I'm gonna take my ring finger and I'm gonna pack on the edge of the P.Louise base, and I'm kind of blending with my ring finger the P.Louise base into that Rosey color. So the colors that we put on top blend easily into the Rosey color. And on what's left on my brush, I'm gonna go over that and blend. With a Zoeva 233 cream shader brush, I'm gonna take this shade right here. It's Queenie. And this one. I'm going to put this on my whole lid. Not really showing up. So I'm gonna try with another blush. Now that we are close to the edge, I'm gonna basically pat the color. Now that my eyes are done, I'm going to move on to the face. I'm gonna start off by foundation. I'm taking the Fenty Beauty foundation, and I'm not going to put this all over my face. I'm going to put it till around here, because this part is going to be a skull. I'm just gonna speed through this. It's just foundation. So basically I just went ahead and put some foundation, concealer and powder. Skimmed through that because I feel like it's repetitive. But now for bronzer, I'm gonna take the Misslyn Holiday Hooray, this thing right here. Now for blush, I'm gonna take the NYX Rosy blush. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a white pencil liner or a nude one, whatever you like. And I'm basically gonna like map out where I want the skull to be. And when I do that, I'm gonna wipe off like the bottom part. So this is what I have so far. It's not that clean, but we're gonna wipe it off. And I mean, it's Halloween, so you can do whatever you really want. Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna do is take this Graftobian Clown white cream. This is basically just like kind of a white foundation. And I'm going to take that in a flat paddle brush. And I'm basically going to paint my whole face from this part downwards with this. So I just realized I wasn't filming. I'm gonna give you guys a recap of what I did. I basically got these paint brushes from the art store, and for the black outlining of the face I'm using the NYX liquid suede cream lipstick, and with these two right here I'm going to outline. As you can see, I already did it. And with my ring finger, I'm going to blend the edges. So now I'm gonna start with this part right here. It's time to do the teeth, so I'm basically just going to grab a pencil brush again, and I'm just gonna basically paint like lines and then do some blending so that they look 3D. Now that I did like where the teeth are going to be placed, I'm gonna take a clean flat brush, and I'm gonna blend between them so that they look more 3D and more realistic. Now to make it look even more realistic, I'm going to go ahead with the white paint and go on the high points so that it looks more realistic and 3D. This is the finished Halloween makeup look. I had so much fun doing this makeup look. It definitely tested my creativity, and I really like how this turned out. And yeah, I really hope you guys enjoy, and thank you for watching.